Hello and namaste everyone. Myself Jeevan Gamali, a mathematics facilitator of Vishwati Boarding School. I want to welcome you all to our digital classes. Today I am presented here with a new chapter for grade 9. I hope you watched my last video and you liked it and it helped in solving problems to you all students. Today also we are continuing doing algebra. Our today's lesson is ratio. Before going to the examples, we have to understand the concept of the ratio. First of all, ratio. What is ratio? Ratio is the comparison of two quantities of the same kind. It is the comparison of two quantities of the same kind. You can see the examples to understand this definition. I am considering here the age of one person, that is Ram. Age of Ram be 20 years. You can consider the age of your and your brothers, your sisters also. Just like that, I am considering here age of the Ram be 20 years and age of the another person Hari be 40 years. Here there are two quantities, age of Ram be 20 years and age of the Hari be 40 years. Then ratio of the age of the Ram to Hari means age of the Ram divided by age of the Hari, that is 20 years divided by 40 years. Hari ko Ram ko age र Hari ko age ko ratio निकाल्ने कसरी? Ram ko age divided by Hari ko age गर्यो भने we will get the ratio of the age of Ram and age of the Hari. Here years and years to units are cancelled out, and similarly 20 times 1 is 20 and 20 times 2 is 40. That is how we get 1 by 2. 1 by 2, the ratio of the Ram and Hari, Ram to Hari is half. 1 by 2 is half, or it is also written as 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. The relation, the comparison is the age of the Ram is half of the age of the Hari. Age of the Ram is half of the age of the Hari, or 1 is to 2. The ratio 1 is to 2 means age of the Ram is half of the age of the Hari. You can similarly you can find out the age of the ratio of the age of the Hari to Ram. Hari to Ram means exactly reverse one. The age of the Hari should be in the numerator and age of the Ram should be in the denominator. Hari to Ram is 2. It will be 2 is to 1. That is, the age of the Hari is double of the age of the Ram. So it is, the ratio is nothing more than comparison of two quantities of the same kind. Of the same kind means the unit of the quantities must be same. That is, here both the years are in the 20 are in the unit of years, 20 years, 40 years. One in years and another in month. They cannot be supposed. We have to both quantities should be in the same units. Like you can find the ratio of the meter of a certain meter and kilometer also, but finding that ratio we have to change the units into the same units. So there are some type of the ratios. We can say types of the ratios. Number one is duplicate ratio and sub-duplicate ratio. Types of the ratio, the duplicate ratio means if A and B are two ratio, A is to B, or we can write A by B. To A is to B ratio, we can write A by B also. If A is to B is the ratio, simple ratio, then duplicate ratio means the ratio of their square. Ratio of their square, that is A square is to B square is known as the duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio means if the A and B are ratio of two number, then A is to B, then the square of number A square, and the square of the number B square, their ratio is known as the duplicate ratio. Then what is sub-duplicate ratio? Sub-duplicate ratio means the ratio of their square root. If A and B is the ratio, then ratio of their square root, that is square root of A is to square root of B. This is known as the sub-duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio is the ratio of the square of the given ratio. Then the sub-duplicate ratio is the ratio of the square root of the given ratio. Similarly, second type we have triplicate ratio and sub-triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio means if similarly you can see this example, A is to B is a ratio, then ratio of the cube of that number, cube, that is A cube is to B cube is known as the triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio means is the ratio of the cube of the given ratio, is the cube of the given ratio. Sub-triplicate, similarly sub-triplicate ratio means you can understand it is the ratio of the cube root of the given ratio, that is cube root of A is to cube root of B. Cube root of A is to cube root of B. Then we have another type of the ratio, that is reciprocal of the ratio. Reciprocal means reciprocal means if any number is A, then the reciprocal of A is 1 by A. We all know that. If any number is A, then the reciprocal is 1 by A. And then if our given ratio is A is to B, then reciprocal of A is 1 by A is to reciprocal of B is 1 by B. This type of ratio is known as the reciprocal of ratio, or it is also written as B is to A also. This is known as the reciprocal of ratio. Type of ratio: duplicate and sub-duplicate ratio, triplicate and sub-triplicate ratio, and finally reciprocal of the ratio. Okay, to understand the lesson ratio, we have some examples. We can understand it by some examples. You can see example number 1 here. X by example number 1, x by y is equal to 4 by 5. Then we have to find out the value of 4x minus 3y upon 5x plus 2y. Here given is x by y is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, x by y is equal to 4 by 5. So from this ratio we have x is equal to 4k. You can consider this is a common number of the ratio. यहाँनिर जस्तो दुईटा नम्बरहरु 20 40 छ भने यिनीहरुको रेशियो 1/2 छ. यहाँनिर कमन नम्बर छ एउटा, that is 20. Similarly we have to consider a common number as k. You can consider as another letter also. Then y is equal to 5k. X is equal to 4k and y is equal to 5k. Don't forget, x is not only equal to 4 and y is not only equal to 5, because it is a ratio. These are the numbers, this is the ratio, and so x is equal to 4k and y is equal to 5k. Okay, now we have to find out the value of 4x minus 3y upon 5x plus 2y. Okay, we can put the value here, value of x and y. That is 4. What is the value of x? 4 into the value of x is 4k minus 3 into value of y is, from here y is equal to 5k. Value of y is 5k, divided by in the denominator 5 into the value of x is again 4k and minus 2 into plus 2 into the value of y is 5k. The value of y is 5k. Now we can multiply. 4 times 4k will be equal to 16k. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 4 times 4k is equal to 16k. And minus 3 times 5 is 15k, divided by 5 times 4k. 5 times 4k, 5 4 20k plus 2 times 5, 2 multiply 5 is 10k. These all are the like terms. 16k minus 15k, these are the like terms. We can subtract. 16 minus 15 is 1, or only k we can write, divided by 20 plus 10. These are also like terms. So 20 plus 10 is 30k, and k is cancel out, then 1 divided by 30. So we can write ratio is 1 is to 30. The value of 4x minus 3y upon 5x plus 2y is 1 divided by 30. The required value is 1 divided by 30. Okay, nothing. Here we have to understand x by y are the numbers and 4 by 5 is the ratio. So x is equal to, we cannot write x is equal to only 4 and y is equal to only 5. We have to write it with the common number. If x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, the value of k will be 1. So x is equal to 4k and y is equal to 5k, and putting this value of x and y in the given equations, we will get the value 1 divided by 30. Okay, similarly, let us see the second example. Second example is also very quite similar to this one. So in second example we have example number 2. 3x minus 2y is to 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 is to 3. This is the ratio, so ratio can be written as in the form of fraction also. 3x minus 2y upon 3x plus 2y is equal to 1 divided by 3. This is the fraction. We can write now, solving the equation, cross multiplication. 3 times 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 bracket 3x plus 2y. Cross multiplication we have been doing from class 7. 3 multiplies to this numerator and 1 multiplies to this denominator. Now 3 times 3x, 9x, minus 3 times 2, 6y, not x, y, is equal to 1 times 3 is of course 3x, plus 1 times 2 is of course 2y. Okay, now let us arrange the like terms. 9x and this 3x are the like terms, so we should keep them into the same side. Minus 3x is equal to 2y, and this minus 6y लाई right side में लग्दा के हुन्छ plus 6y. So 9x minus 3x will be 6x and is equal to 2y plus 6y will be 8y. We have to find out the ratio first of all. X यो y लाई तल लेख्नुस् अथवा dividing both side by y गर्न नि सकिन्छ. X upon y यसलाई यहाँ तल लेखेको is equal to 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6, taking them into the lowest term, 3, 4. That implies x by y is equal to 4 by 3. Now x by y is equal to 4 by 3. This is again in the like in the form of example number 1. So we can consider x is equal to 4k and y is equal to, as in example number 1, y is equal to 3k. So now we have to find out the value x square plus y square upon 7x square minus y square. Okay, x is 4k, so square of 4k is 16k square, plus y is 3k, so square of y is 3 is 9k square, upon 7 times square of x square 16k square, minus y square is again square of 3 is 9k square. So 16 plus 9 is 25k square. 7 times 16 is, what is 7 times 16? It is 100. 7 times 16 is 16, 6 are 96 and 112. 112k square minus 9k square. That will be 25k square. 112 minus 9 is equal to 103. 103k square. K square and k square is cancelled out, then 25 divided by 103 is the required answer for the example number 2. Okay, this is how we solve the example number 2. Okay, thank you students. I hope you got this. I'll be back with the next new lesson in the next video. Till then I'm signing off. Thank you so much. Your homework is already posted on the Facebook group. Thank you.